Alright everybody, this is a quick video on how to correctly install your FULLSEND 450mah 4S Lipo into your Baby Nautiloid Kit. So we'll just start off by taking off your top plate on the battery side, which is the right side of the robot. Alright. So we'll pull him off there, and then we're going to double check that our switch is off. We have our weapon lock installed. And the first thing you want to do is then plug in your battery, just like that. And then you're going to take your top plate. I'm going to pull these screws out of it. Set your top plate right here. You're going to flip them over. And you're just going to install that battery just like this into that top plate. And it's quite a snug fit, but they do fit. I'll make sure you can see that well. So you can see it's kind of in that pocket in the top plate. Alright, then once you have that done, you want to make sure your balance lead is going to be in this pocket right here in the front of the robot. And then we're just going to kind of install it from the rear. Make sure our motor is seated correctly. And then the trick is, if you look at this top part, it has to go underneath the weapon shaft, and so it'll be at kind of an angle. And then you can just put it in just like that. It can take a little bit of practice, but when it is correctly installed, it should sit completely flush. You know, you shouldn't have to squeeze it at all to keep it completely flush. And then I'll just kind of pinch it, start all my top plate screws by hand. And then if you're going to tighten them with the electric screwdriver, make sure it has a low enough chuck setting clutch. So I use it on 1 on my Milwaukee screwdriver. And you can just run them all in. And that is how to correctly install your battery. All right.